So with 2024 Release Wave 2, Copilot in Business Central can help you generate new, modify existing, or alleviate you of the pain of preparing number series for the next year. I'm Ivan Koletic. I'm a product manager in Business Central team. Join me for the next couple of minutes to show you how the new Copilot capabilities can help you with number series. So getting started fast on new implementation or recurring maintenance or simply rolling out a new module or a new company usually requires a bit of time and money. But Copilot can reduce the time it takes to set up number series and make their maintenance quick and easy. For example, when you need to update year or month-based numbering to many draft or post documents in Business Central. So, without me talking more about it, let's see the Copilot in action. I'm in Business Central and my company decided to roll out a service management module. Looking at the service management setup, I can see that there are some number series that are missing. So let me open number series. And let's see how Copilot can actually help me. What I can do is I can click the Generate button in here to open the prompt dialog. And in here I can actually instruct the Copilot to generate the number series for, I think I saw contract credit memos missing a number series. If you are looking for inspiration, there are a couple of prompt guides that can help you get inspired with the prompts of creating new number series, modifying existing, or preparing one for the next year. What I'll do in here is I will paste one of the prompts that I have where I want contract credit memo number series to be created. You can just end it in there and the Copilot can do its magic. Or you can supplement it with additional things. For example, in here, I explicitly ask a Copilot to create a number series that will include the last two digits of the number. So it needs to have 24 somewhere in the number series and the numbers that it's going to generate. Because I know the accountants, for example, really do love seeing that on the posted documents, for example, where that it gives them an indication of when which fiscal year that posted document belongs to. So let's see what the Copilot comes up with. Okay, so it has created a suggestion for the contract credit memo as I asked it, and what you can see in here is actually the numbering of the contract credit memos will include 24, the year that I asked it to do. And when I actually go ahead and click Keep It, it's going to insert the number series. So let's see, contract. So you can see contract credit memo. And what is even cooler, it's actually going to update the number series also on the service management setup. This is just so cool and so mind-blowing, right? So the next thing I want to try out is, since okay, this is an initial number series that got created for the contract credit memos, but let's see how Copilot actually handles preparing for the next year. So let me go back to number series and let me generate again. And in here, as you can see, the prompt guy actually has these sort of templates for the prompts where you can say set up number series for the next year. Meaning, go through all of the number series and set them up for the next year, which is great. But we'll limit ourselves only for that one that we have just created, and we'll say, let's prepare it for the next year. All right, what you can see right now, it actually found a couple of credit memo number series, which is the reason why we always say in here AI-generated content might be incorrect. We didn't ask for the sales credit memo, but we did ask for the contract credit memo. And I will delete this one because this one I don't need, and this one I also don't need because I know that my number series for the contract credit memo was service management contract credit memo. And what's cool about this is you can see that it has actually respected the rule that we've introduced with the first number series for the current year, right? Let's see what happens when I say keep it, right? And let's have a look at this contract credit memos. What you can see, it created an additional number series line, and it actually set the starting date for the 1st of January 2025. I mean, if this isn't mind-blowing, I don't know what is. I'm so happy to see this thing in action. And the one last thing that I want to show you, which I'm sure is going to blow your mind, is another thing where we will start from a completely empty company and ask the Copilot to generate the number series for the company. Let's switch to an empty company. And let's go to number series. And what you can see in here, I have just the 2 number series. Nothing else is in there. I mean, we can even delete those, right? And I'll hit generate. And as you saw in here, in the create new prompt guide, there's this create number series for the new company. I can use that template, or I can use a slightly adjusted one that I've created to make things a bit more difficult for the Copilot and for you to see the full power of it, right? So we'll ask it to create the number series for everything in Business Central for the new company. But what I want to do is, my accounting department actually said for all the posted documents, make sure that there is a year number included in that. So let's hit generate and see what it comes up with. So generating number series for all of the modules: general ledger, sales, purchase, inventory. It'll switch to to projects, to resources, to manufacturing, service management. It will go through all of the modules. And the reason why it will go through all of the modules is because this particular company has this user experience set to premium, which means, you need to set up all the number series. And here it is. Look at all of the number series that the Copilot created. Let's take a closer look at some of those posted documents that I've explicitly asked to include the year number. You can see the posted assembly order has 24 in there. Let's scroll a bit down. Posted receipts have the year number in it. I mean, this is just great. Let's keep the suggestion in here. And as you can see, all of the number series have been added in here. And what's even cooler about it, let's just go to purchase setup. And I mean, look at all of this. This has just been set by the Copilot, and you're ready to go, of course, from the perspective of number series. All right, so what you saw in this great demo is that you can use Copilot to help you with number series. It can generate them or modify existing ones for a specific record, for a specific module, or for an entire company. And what's more about it, it can actually help you maintain those number series easily with a simple prompt, and using the prompt guides that show up in the prompt dialog, it'll make a lot of consultants and a lot of admins' lives way much easier by removing that chore that they needed to do on a periodic basis. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Make sure to try out these new improvements that Copilot brings to number series, and also make sure to check out the description that is below the video for more content and useful links. Thank you for your time.